Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 3 not launching. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type background apps. Now turn off this option and then go to Windows Update Settings and make sure you have the latest updates for your Windows. Just check for updates and install all the updates that you can find, and then go to GeForce Experience. If you can't find it on your computer, just download it from any browser and then check for updates. Now make sure your GPU, make sure to update your GPU and then go back, close it, restart your computer and then just try again and your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.